Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the FIFINE brand K052. This is a computer USB microphone. Now it has a lot of unique features that I've never seen before. You can see it's very stylish looking. Has a mute button switch right there and a volume control, so they're controlling the volume of the electronics that amplify the microphone, which is really unique. Has this cool gooseneck adjustment where you get 12 inches or more of adjustable angle change, which is great. Has an LED indicator light right there to let you know that the unit is powered. Comes with a long USB cable that is shielded, and it has a weighted base on there and a nice anti-slip rubber piece on there also. Now this will work with Windows or Mac computer, and it's ideal for gaming, streaming, YouTube podcasts, or even singing. The frequency response is 50 Hertz up to 20 kilohertz. So it goes down to the low and goes up to the highs. That's really, really good. And the pattern of the microphone itself is set up so that it'll pick up your voice in the front and pick up minimal in the back and the sides. So it's a particular cardboard pattern, they call it. So it should reject off-axis voice and sound. The cable is 2 meters long, and as I mentioned, it is shielded. And this whole thing weighs very little. The whole weight is 259 grams, or just a little over 9 ounces of weight. And there should be a plug-and-play experience, and we're going to test it on my computer. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do with the FIFINE microphone is I'm going to plug it into one of my USB ports right here. And it's installing driver software. It's the message I just got. As you can see on my screen right there. So you can see I have the microphone set up right here on my computer table. And it looks great. Let me back up a little bit right here. So let's click here for status. So you can see it's doing a search. It says USB composite device, PMP audio device, input device, and you see it has all three ready to use. So that's the plug and play aspect of this microphone. Now I'm going to go to my system sound right here, and I'm going to see if it shows this microphone playback. Let's go to recording, and I can see that something is responding right here. You see the display moving up and down right there, and if I double click on that, I can then go to levels, listen, even change the icon for what it looks like. So right here it was set to 51, so I could increase that to higher if I want. You want to test it. Now you can see that it is showing the level again. Let's go back here, go to recording, microphone, and you can see that it's responding right there. So let's try an app like Skype. And there's a testing function on here that allows you to test your microphone. It's called Echo Sound Test Service. Let's place a call right here, audio call.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, this is a test of the FIFINE microphone, and the volume right here is set to the middle. Okay, this is a test of the FIFINE microphone, and the volume right here is...
Okay. If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings.
So that worked
Please
fine.
check your microphone and microphone settings.
And I want to point out
Visit Skype.com
how nice it looks.
for
It's
more
got
help.
the
Thank you for using the Skype
little
testing
indicator
service.
right
Goodbye.
there, which is nice, and the mute button. So let's do that again. Let's test out the mute button, see how that works. I'm also going to raise the volume on here. On the microphone itself, I'm actually going to raise the volume right here. We're going to try the mute button too.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, this is Robert. I just hit the mute button and the LED went red. Now I unmuted it. This is a test, testing 1, 2, 3. This is Robert. Now I unmuted it. This is a test, testing 1, 2, 3. So you can see that works great.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If
So you
hear this
can
message,
hear
but
that
not your own,
it's very clear, and the volume control on here worked fine, and the mute button worked fine. And you can see it goes to a red LED when you hit the mute button. That's really nice. And you know, this is about 6 inches from my mouth, and it worked perfect. So what do I think about the FIFINE technology, the K052, the computer USB microphone? I really like this. Very nice, very simple to use. I love the volume control, the mute, power indicator, the gooseneck ability, the weighted bass. Everything about this is very nice. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this video, please hit the like button also. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.